Hey campers, welcome to virtual cooking. Today we're going to be making some chocolate banana smoothie popsicles, which are great for a really hot day. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 1.5 to 2 frozen bananas, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 2 cups of milk. And you can add anything else that you want, like chocolate chips or sprinkles, or add honey to make it sweeter. But these are the ingredients that I used. So I used almond milk, but you can use whatever type of milk you want, and then cocoa and bananas. And then to make the popsicles, I used paper cups and popsicle sticks. You can also use yogurt containers or the plastic popsicle molds that you find in the dollar store. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is put our ingredients in the blender. So bananas, I used 1.5 bananas. Then we're going to add our cocoa powder, half a cup of that. And then we're going to add 2 cups of whatever milk that you chose to use. And then for my extra flavor, I added peanut butter, but you can add anything you want, like I said earlier, chocolate chips or sprinkles or honey to make it sweeter. And then you're just going to put the blender on high and blend it until it's really smooth and creamy. Then you're going to put your paper cups onto a plate or a tray and get your popsicles ready for the number that you have. And then once it's all blended, it should look really smooth and liquidy. And you're just going to pour a little bit into each cup. So this is when they're all finished. And then you're going to put it in the freezer for about an hour and let it freeze. Once you take it out of the freezer after an hour, you can put the popsicle sticks in, and you want to make sure that they stay upright. So this is mine. And then you're going to put it back in the freezer for another hour. After that hour is finished, you can take them out of the freezer. They should be pretty frozen solid. And you can take off the outside and enjoy your popsicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have fun making popsicles.